Hi, welcome back to A Beautiful Jungle. My name is Sharon. For those who are new here, welcome to A Beautiful Jungle, and thank you for clicking on the video. It's greatly appreciated. I'm over by I just jumped right into it because I have a lot to do today. I'm over by the sweet potato beds, these two. And of course I amended the beds before I put the sweet potatoes in, but I'm gonna come back and give them some potash and some fish bone meal, kind of like the same thing I did with my potatoes, but I'm gonna top dress them and then I'm going to mulch them. I am putting it on here and then I'm going to scratch it in. And fish bone meal is pretty much the same thing as bone meal, but with a higher, a little slightly higher number. It's not that high, it's just a slight higher number. And sweet potatoes are heavy feeders. You can use a hand rake to do this. I am just going to use my hands. Potash. Now I'm going to put the fish bone meal on here. And I'm just weeding as I go. If I see little weeds in here, this is the store-bought potatoes.
If I go up to the heavens, if I go down to the grave, even there your hand will guide me, your right hand will hold me. I will trust you, Lord. Even when the storms are raging,
Cedar wood chip mulch. trying to figure out a way to get it done faster.
Will love you, Lord, even when this heart is breaking. If I ride the wings of morning, if I dwell by the fall.
This is what I mean when I say each one of these, and this looks like it was about to start rooting right here, that everywhere these are, these little arms, these little leaves are, it's going to root. This was attached to the ground and it started rooting. Some of them I will leave like that, but I wanted to focus all this energy right here where I planted this sweet potato slip. And by focusing this energy there, I'm hoping to get bigger sweet potatoes. This is the sweet potato bed, and it has been mulched, fertilized, watered. I'm going to water it again. I'm starting to water the rest of my plants now. It's getting late, but I just wanted to show you guys the finish. I'm going to end up pulling these onions also, the rest of these onions, but I don't think I'm going to do it tonight. Probably do it tomorrow.